You ever looked at your truck and gone, man, when you hit the horn, it's just not loud enough. Just not. Then you go online, you go, train horns would be cool. But then you look at the price tag and go, $200? No way. Look no further. We got these things. These are like super cheap, like 30 bucks, I think, or less. You can buy them at any of your auto parts stores. First thing, who thought orange was a good idea? Well, we're going to fix that. 1 can of spray paint. Just like that. No more orange. So it comes with this compressor. We're going to hook this up to activate when the normal horn goes off. Got a couple of hoses. Yeah, it's already been used a little bit. Or sitting a little bit, and they look gross, but it works. So, got 2 wires. Get this taken care of. Look at how clean that fit right in there. Got the compressor mounted. Ground wires hooked up. I'm just going to self-tap it right to the sheet metal. Call it a day. Got the wire spliced into the horn wire. It's going to get hooked under there. And then all I'll have to do is find a place to put these horns at. And we'll see how loud this is. So these are almost dry. So we'll have to run this and figure out where we want those. So it's pretty simple. Hopefully it doesn't blow my horn fuse. If it does, we'll just put a bigger amp one in there. You know, it's not like I'm going to hold down on the horn for 10 minutes. So we'll get to hooking all that up. All right, just like that, we should have horns. Hit this button. Should I honk at him?
This guy, he's in the road.
No, what I need to do is I need to find somebody texting and driving, like her.
Yeah.
He's like, as I go by.
Just nobody too old so they don't have a heart attack. All these people, they're in a red light, but we'll honk anyway. Like, go! First the mesh. Second the grille. Alright, so here's what it came out as with the painted grill. It's actually the next day. It's sitting in the barn right now because it's got my welding rig and it's raining. But anyways, that's the final product came out. I like how it looks. Let's see all my welding stuff. So, but yeah, I like it's a nice clean look. It doesn't have that crappy chrome look. Sharp looking truck now. You know, gives it a much more clean front look with the black, you know, the black headlights, white grille, black bumper. So I like how it came out. So thanks for watching. This one's a bit all over the place, but all right, just a question. If you guys would like to see dirt bike videos, let me know. And I can get my GoPro out and start doing dirt bike videos also. So these are my two bikes, both Hondas. So one's a trail bike, one's a motocross bike. So I don't do much motocross, but it's kind of what it is like also for the sand dunes. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see that too, because I can do that. Look at the 12 valve. Nice and clean. Looks beautiful. I washed it yesterday. There's nothing like a clean truck, even with a crappy paint job. Or motorcycle videos. This is also my motorcycle. You know, I'm into a lot of different things: trucks, motorcycles, dirt bikes. So if you guys want to see motorcycle videos, let me know. Either that, dirt bike, whatever. Leave it in the comments if you want to see them. So